When it comes to high-quality roofing services in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, Matthews Roofing Company stands out as the premier choice for both residential and commercial roofing projects. As a trusted roofing company in Charlotte, we offer a wide range of services, including roof repairs, roof replacement, and new roof installations. Our experienced team of roofers is dedicated to providing exceptional roofing solutions tailored to meet the specific roofing needs of Charlotte homeowners and Charlotte businesses. Next, let's discuss why Matthews Roofing Company is the top choice in Charlotte. As one of the leading general contractors in the Mecklenburg area, we understand that your roof is one of the most important aspects of your home or business. That's why we specialize in high-quality roofing repairs and roof replacements that ensure long-lasting durability and protection. Whether you're in need of emergency roof repairs or a full-scale roof replacement, we've got you covered with our top-notch roofing services. For Charlotte homeowners, our residential roofing solutions are designed to keep your home safe and energy efficient. From traditional asphalt roofs to more modern materials like metal roofing, we offer a variety of options to suit your budget and style preferences. Comprehensive roofing solutions for commercial and residential properties. At Matthews Roofing Company, we take pride in offering a full range of commercial roofing services. From flat roofing contractors to metal roofing contractors, our skilled team is equipped to handle projects of all sizes. We work closely with Charlotte businesses to deliver durable and cost-effective roofing solutions for commercial buildings throughout the Charlotte area. Our team of professional roofers is committed to meeting the local roofing needs of both residential and commercial clients. We provide free estimates and flexible scheduling to ensure that your project is completed on time and within budget. Now let's discuss what makes us the best roofing contractors in Charlotte. As one of the most reliable roofing companies in Charlotte, we understand the importance of a well-built roof. Our expert roofers are trained to identify potential problems and provide solutions that protect your property from the elements. Whether you're looking for quality roofing materials, siding contractors, or construction services, Matthews Roofing Company has the experience and resources to exceed your expectations. Our Charlotte-based firm is proud to serve the entire Mecklenburg area, offering fast and efficient service for both homeowners and businesses. We're committed to delivering exceptional roofing services that meet your needs and provide long-term value. Contact Matthews Roofing Company today. If you're a Charlotte resident in need of immediate roofing services, don't hesitate to reach out. We specialize in immediate roof storm repairs, roof replacement, and new roof installations for residential and commercial properties alike. Call today for a free estimate from the best roofing company in Charlotte and let us handle all your roofing and siding needs.